How to start page number from a specific page in MS Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can start page number from a specific page in MS Word. So without further delay, let's get started. So for example, I have created this document right here where I have 4 pieces. First one is cover piece, table of content, and the third one is I have introduction. So I want to start my page number from the page 3. So in order to start the page number from this specific page, first of all, you have to head towards that page where you want to start the page numbering from. For example, I have this page right here. Place the cursor at the beginning of the page. Now, navigate to top bar, and from here you have to click on references. From here you have to click on layout, and under layout you have to click on this drop down under breaks. So once you're here, navigate to section break and click on next page. So once you have clicked on next page, what you have to do is again head towards the insert. Now head towards the page number right here, click on this drop down and select the page number format that you want. For example, I want to place it at the bottom of the page and I will choose this layout. As you can see, now the page number has been added, but the page number that I want to start from 1 starts at 3, as you can see here. Now to start this page number from 1, place the cursor at that page number. Then navigate to this section at the top. There is this option that says link to previous, which is currently ticked or checked in. So you have to uncheck this option. After you uncheck it, again place your cursor at the page number that you want to start at 1. Then head towards the page number drop down here, and here click on format page number. Here it says start at, so here you have to type in 1, then click on OK. As you can see, now this page number starts at 1. Now if you scroll up, they will still see the page number 1 and 2 at the pages above it. Now to clear this, click on the page number and simply press backspace key in your keyboard. And there you go, now the page number has been disappeared. You can close your header and footer. Now if you go through your document, you will see the page number starting from that specific page that you want in your document. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.